Want to know how to use chat interfaces in Kimi? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Kimi 2.5 website. So we have also created a video on how to access it and how to log in or sign up as well, so make sure to watch it. So once you've done all of that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, you should be seeing various options. So on the leftmost side, you should be seeing your chats, your profile, and much more. So in order to use a chat interface, here you should click any one of these. So here you can see new chat by default. You can just simply add pics or just simply type in anything that you want to generate. And you can also select websites right here in order to generate websites, your docs, your slides. So you can just simply type in anything. So create me a website, create a smart info and UI. So you can just simply select this and you can see the free is 3 left, and you can just simply select go, and it should create your website, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.